Hey guys, welcome back to Addie's Growing Up video. Today, we just got back from vacation and, well, my slime came. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna die. So here it is. I don't know and I'm so excited because I don't know what we ordered. I forgot. So here are the cheers.
I think it's called Taiyaki.
Taiyaki.
Taiyaki filling.
So,
Peachybbies slime, right?
Yeah. If I can open it. I can't open it. Thank you, Mom, for getting it open for me.
You're welcome.
Straight off the bat, it smells amazing.
It smells amazing. Well, tell us what it smells like. Let's look at the front. Taiyaki filling.
Oh, sorry. I do gotta say it is a little sticky. Why I mean a little sticky?
Well, we have some spray if you need it. What are your little add-ins over here?
So let's get this slime out.
Oh, so it kind of looks like, look at that. It's got little
Sesame seeds on it.
Yeah, like little dots. What's the scent like?
Vanilla, kind of, is what I'm smelling. Now, people have different smells, so it might smell different to you. I'm gonna die! Okay. So it looks like we have a little chicken. I mean, not chicken, oh my gosh. Fish and cheese. Fish and cheese. Oh, it's like a fish and chip. Fish and
Got another little thing here.
Oh, yeah. So it's chocolate, I think. Chocolate. Oh, and looky here. We have a fish. Say bye-bye.
Looks pretty good to me.
Touch. Put your finger in the lettuce. Take it out slowly, not fast.
I don't want it to stick. So the poke test is good.
Poke test.
Stretch test.
Test. Phenomenal. Bubble test.
Uh-oh, we're going to do a bubble test?
Heck yeah.
Hold on.
Part of the...
Whew, that's very vanilla. Wow. Wow.
All the way.
I would say the bubble test was a success.
Okay. Let's try another. To see if it actually works. Okay, it actually works. Okay. Hooray, hooray. So, yeah, that is it.
So, Peachybbies. And they always send a little gift. Would you like to see your little gift?
No, I'm the other.
We're gonna do another video with another pack of Peachybbies. We'll show you the gift we got in that one. Be sure to like and subscribe.
And stay tuned.
And stay tuned.
Bye, guys.
Stretch that up again. Let's see it. Whoa. Look at all the add-ins. Ew.
Bye, you guys.